So first of all, I've just taken the intercooler out. That was a nightmare. You see the fitted electric fans on. I think that must be for the AC. Because you see, when we look round here, there's the AC condenser, and it's pretty tight. I mean, I've got to get that nut off there to get the pipe off, which means taking this bracket off here. Then I can get to the bolt down here, and then I think they've doubled up on this nut here and a bracket here. Well, it seems okay, but I've got like half the car in bits now. But anyway, never mind. But what I'm trying to say is, look how you're continuously restricting. You've got all these lights and winch things on here, then you've got that thing there, the grill, that, and then you get to your radiator, and then people wonder why they overheat and run hot. It's funny, isn't it? So I'm going to battle on with that. I've been on with it for, what time is it now? I've been on with it since 1 o'clock. I've only got that far. So now I'm trying to figure out what the best way to do to take that out. But I see they've taken one stay out of here. I don't know why they've done that. I really don't know. I've lost all sort of track of this now. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, by adding more and more restrictions, that's why 300 TDIs run hot. They honestly do.